Hello, my friends. Welcome to the 287th episode here on Ellen's Homemade Delights. I'm Ellen. Hope all you're doing well. If you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. If you're new to my channel, welcome to my kitchen. I'm very excited about this video today. I am participating in a collaboration with my good friend Teri over at Teri's Table. For our collaboration, we're going to do a sweet tree summer dessert. I have no idea what Teri's gonna make, but it's gonna be delicious. And y'all check her out. She has a great channel and she makes some delicious recipes that just makes your mouth water. And I'll post a link to her channel along with her recipe down below in the description box. For our collaboration, I'm gonna make a Southern Blueberry Cobbler. OMG, my friends, it is the bomb.com. It's gonna be full of blueberry goodness. And as always, it is so simple and easy to make. And this crust we're gonna make for the cobbler, divine. It is to die for. And this would be a great dessert to serve for fish fries, barbecues, crawfish boils, and other events. And I'll post a complete recipe along with the instructions down below in the description box. And also check out my cobbler playlist. I also post a link to that down below in the description box. So grab your butter, your flour, and your blueberry sugar because we're about to bake some blueberry cobbler magic in my southern kitchen. Here we go. Alright, my friends, the first step we're going to do is prep the blueberries. In my bowl, I have 2 pints of fresh blueberries that I washed. And we're going to add in a half a cup of white sugar and 2 teaspoons of freshly squeezed lemon juice. And we're going to give all this a quick stir until they're nice and well combined. It's going to create a glaze. Alright, my friends, I'm through stirring up the blueberries. So now we're going to set them aside. Alright, my friends, now it's time for the best part, the crust. In my large bowl, I have 1½ cups of self-rising flour plus 1/4 of a teaspoon of ground nutmeg. And we're going to add in 1 cup of white sugar. Going to give that a quick whisk until it's nice and well combined. And we don't get any lumps. Alright, my friends, now it's time to add in the milk. We're going to slowly add in 1½ cups of evaporated milk. I love this stuff. And stir until it's nice and well combined. Alright, and the other half. Whisk that together. Alright, my friends, now there's a few more ingredients we got to add to it. 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 1 teaspoon of butter extract, 1 teaspoon of lemon extract, and 2 teaspoons of blueberry syrup. Give that a quick whisk until it's nice and well incorporated. Smells good. You can smell all the extracts. Alright, my friends, the crust is done. See how quick and easy it was? Alright, that was great. Now we're ready to pour it into the pan. I melted 1 stick, which is a half a cup of unsalted butter, into a 9x 13-inch baking dish. And we're going to pour the crust right on top. Alright, my friends, I got the batter right on top. So now we're going to put the blueberries along with the juice right on top. Alright, my friends, I got the blueberries right on top of the crust. And this is the important step. You don't want to stir the blueberries, otherwise the crust won't rise up to the top. This is a magical recipe. Alright, now we're ready to put this baby in the oven. We're going to put it in the preheated 350-degree oven, and we're going to let it bake for 45 minutes until the crust is golden brown. My mouth's watering. Alright, I'll bring you back. My friends, look at here at this blueberry cobbler. It smells awesome in this kitchen. And there you have it, my friends, Southern Blueberry Cobbler. And you see the crust just rise up to the top, and look at those blueberries just oozing out of there. What I tell you, magic. Oh, I can't wait to get this a taste. All right, so now I'm gonna let the blueberry cobbler cool for a few minutes and then I'll fix me up a plate. All right, my friends, I fixed me up a plate. Doesn't that look good? And of course, you can't have cobbler without a scoop of vanilla ice cream. All right, here we go. Grab me a little blueberry and a little bit of crust. Mm-mm. This is extremely delicious. The blueberries is tender. And wait until you taste the crust. So buttery and tender. This is scrumptious. Please get this recipe a try. This deserves another bite. I'm going to give me a little ice cream. Divine. Blueberry Cobbler-licious. Wow, Teri, I had a wonderful time doing this collaboration with you. It was awesome. Many thanks. And again, I'll post a link to her channel along with her recipe down below in the description box. Many thanks so much for watching and joining me in my southern kitchen today. If you enjoyed this video and this recipe, please give it a thumbs up. I do appreciate it. Don't forget to share this with your family and friends. Like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And click on the bell so that way you'll be notified when my new videos come out. And I'll see y'all on my next video. Let's eat and stay cool.